Join the private sector energy efficiency movement led by the National Business Initiative by plugging into energy efficiency and stem the tide of rising energy costs.
So look at typically, if you look at most air conditioners, that's a window air conditioner there. Those are typically bigger type air conditioners, split units that are sitting on big buildings and stuff like that, and the bottom one there as well. Okay, so you find most of the air conditioning systems, that the way you can save energy, especially in buildings, is by just looking at optimizing the operating of the air conditioning and just pure maintenance, housekeeping. Okay, if you look at those things, those are basically the condensers. The condensers actually sit outside of the air conditioning unit, and they sit outside the building. And basically, what is the purpose of a condenser? What does it do? So it dissipates heat, isn't it? It takes heat away from the, so if it's very hot today and I want to extract heat from this room, I want to cool the room down, the condenser basically takes all the heat from inside the room and basically puts it outside, okay? And normally what happens, those things sit outside on the roof of the building, for example, and what happens, it just gets forgotten about, isn't it? We leave it there for 10 years, for 5 years, or whatever the case, nobody even bothers to check if it's still working. And so what happens, that collects dirt, gets corroded, there's dust and all sorts of things in it, isn't it? And then what happens to the condenser when that collects dirt and dust and stuff? It becomes less efficient, isn't it? Because the heat that you're taking from the room can't be pushed to the outside because it's a heat transfer. So what happens by not maintaining that thing, what happens when you switch on your aircon in the room now and you want to try and cool the room, what happens? The aircon has to run actually longer to get the same cooling because now the condenser is not efficient. If the condenser was efficient, the aircon will run for instead of running for 5 hours, it will run for maybe 2-3 hours, for example, and it will give you the same amount of cooling, okay? Because the air conditioner is designed to run it up to a certain temperature, it reaches the temperature of the room, and it switches off. But if your condenser hasn't been maintained, this thing's going to run most of the day, isn't it? So just by maintaining that, you can save easy 20% or 30% of your energy consumption in your air conditioning systems. Okay, so like we said in the beginning, a lot of housekeeping, basic stuff, we don't have to spend money and invest in new equipment and stuff. Same with on the inside of the room with the air conditioning. The evaporator sits on the inside. It's got filters. It's got also a heat exchanger that needs to be maintained. By regularly changing the filters and cleaning the filters, it becomes more efficient and it saves you energy. Okay, but we don't do these things. We just let it run forever, and we think it's going to be this thing. But you're losing a lot of money every time it's running because you haven't maintained it. You're actually losing money. It's costing you money because it's less energy efficient. Okay.